We got the Jags versus Titans, the final game of the 1 o'clock games. We've reacted to every single game prior. Let's see how this one went. I expect the Jags to win. Calvin Ridley back in the end zone, finally again. Okay, there you go, Rid. I expect the Jaguars to win this, to bounce back after getting destroyed by the 49ers. They need to win it, considering the Texans won today are now at 6 wins and had the game against them, so it's a very important game for them. Ever since the debut for Will, it hasn't gone too great since then, but I still have some faith in him. He's not awful, so hopefully they can at least just hang in this game. That's what I'm hoping. Best case scenario for them to just at least hang in. Let's see, man. Let's see. Hey, little screen. Hey. Hey.
Third and 7 from the 33. Looks like pressure. Levis.
Damn. The O-line is trash too, bro. The O-line is garbage. I mean, they need a run game, and when it's not, when they don't have the run game, it's spooky. So.
First year with Tennessee after coming over from San Francisco in free agency. 2nd and 10.
Kirk? Yeah, man. Jaguars, they're legit, man. They're legit, man.
What is Doug Peterson?
There's no doubt.
Here on 3rd and 8. Lawrence hit on the throw. It wobbles out. Incomplete. Multiple flags.
Multiple flags.
You have got to make attempt to look back for the football. Otherwise, they'll call it every time.
Here's some misdirection.
Ridley? Oh my. That boy Ridley is fast as hell, though. He is fast. That boy. Yeah. He can move. Hold on. He got the feet.
And he's buried. My goodness. Jeffrey Simmons. Dumping him down, moving with that nimbleness, unbelievable agility, and play by Simmons. So they limit them to the field goal. Jacksonville showing blitz. Now they pull back. Levis in the face of pressure completes to the tight end Okonkwo, but he's
nothing.
short.
The Titans, come on.
Consecutive scoring drives.
Do something.
They begin here just inside their 30-yard line with 2 timeouts.
ETN. Person in the fantasy, chill. I actually have DeAndre Hopkins in fantasy in this game, so please. I've started DeAndre Hopkins every single game this year, except for the time that except for the debut. Except for the time he risked the Falcons. Unreal, bro.
Here comes the blitz. They pick it up nicely. Lawrence puts some air on
Ridley! That I want to play. Okay, Rid.
They've had some pretty good success in getting.
Need to hold him to 3 here. If it goes 3 possessions. Yeah, I'm not coming back.
Lawrence quick drop, stumbles a bit, gathers, fires, incomplete.
He had him. He didn't have to throw it that hard. Okay, Titans stay in it though like this. Okay, that was big.
Continues on his perfect day. So much out of his roster with all the injuries that this team has dealt with the last couple of years. But boy, is it caught up over the last year plus as Ernest Johnson. Good drive starter here, crosses the 30-yard line.
And gets some of those big plays down the field. How much better of an offense this makes Jacksonville.
Fake handoff from Lawrence, has to throw it across his body, and he does. He gets it to Farrell. It would be a 58-yard field goal from here. Instead, they go for it on 4th and 4. Lawrence pump fakes. Everyone covered. He'll sling it. First down.
Trevor Lawrence with his legs is underrated, man. I mean, he can really use his legs and to create plays. I mean, I like Lawrence a lot, man. I really do. The Jaguars are in that run where it's just like they just gotta prove they can beat the good teams, but they can really beat up on some bad teams, which is impressive still. So, man. Hey, Lawrence in there, I think. Wow. Yeesh.
Levis protected, goes to his check. Spears makes
the
first
down. Spears be making plays.
Stood up,
and
he won't get it.
But they really feel like when they settle in, this is going to be a good combination.
Nothing. Jeez.
Has his man, Ridley, and his big day continues.
I'd like to see a little bit more Ridley in the middle of the field in this offense.
Lawrence again goes play action on 2nd and 7, and right now he's dealing. This time it's Christian Kirk. Yeah, man, he's starting to put some things together for this offense. One of his bigger days of the season so far. Lawrence fakes the handoff again. Little off balance throw.
Ridley! Okay, Ridley. Having a day. Okay.
Trevor Lawrence slicing him up.
Damn.
Here they come again. They pick up the blitz. This will be a first down play. Westbrook Akine on the catch. Here's Henry.
Oh, play. Launching it. Gotta be D-Hop. Oh, finally, y'all get on the board. Finally. Okay.
It's Kirk in motion on 3rd and 9. Lawrence protected.
Jones. Zay Jones back for the Jaguars. That's a big piece, man. Ooh. That's a big piece.
Logan Cook puts his right leg into it. Garrett's going to play it from the 20. Crosses the 30 out to the 35. Football's loose. Oh.
What are you doing, bruh? Y'all just had some life. Forced a punt. That's crazy.
And it's their long snapper, Ross
The
Mays.
long snapper made the play? That's fire. You don't see that often.
Back in week 3, 37-17, a 20-point win. And that division could come down to that result next week. Lawrence,
It's over.
first
Shit's
down
over.
Jags.
Over.
Just sneak it.
Instead, they give it to the
Fourth and
rookie.
1.
Bixby has it. And it will be first and goal, Jacksonville.
There's no doubt that Jacksonville is a good football team.
No doubt.
Little option play.
What the fuck?
Lawrence
Obviously,
is
that's the fuck.
in. Yes, he is.
Okay.
Second rushing touchdown of the day for Lawrence.
Yards, knowing that they wanted to feature him in this game.
Launching it.
Taking a
Oh! Okay. Damn.
Chris Moore.
That was nice.
Came over in free agency from Houston in the offseason.
Okay.
Them now at the 20, so
Henry on the reverse. Good play.
Misdirection. Henry
Okay.
first down running more. As he's run out of bounds inside the 5. Tackled there by Devin Lloyd.
Free and make plays on the ball.
See Simmons again lined up offensive backfield. They're going to throw to him. Simmons makes the catch.
Simmons, bro, out of all the people, bro. Hey! That's fire. That's a game. I'll even losing, still having fun. Giving him a touchdown. That's cool. I respect that.
Kick. Ingram is easily able to fall on the football. And that is where Jacksonville will have it here. But boy, they can take a big step in that.
Alright, man. Jacksonville in the division of the Texans. What do y'all think?